Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. To do it, open Settings application where we scroll down, we tap on my phone and there we look for our version information and their build number. We must tap 7 times to activate our development mode. To do this, we must confirm all, enter our look screen. Now we are developed, we can go back and scroll down to the system selection where we have our new selection developer option and it first memory, and there we can read about our available random access memory. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!